emergency. Bakit kailangan natin yung tatlong grupo? We have to save the Philippines!
Salva Pilipinas!
Mag-uumpisa ang ating programa sa pagdarasal. Pinaanyayahan natin dito sa harap Father Romy Chongko ng Bukidnon, Bishop Edwin Maniti ng Aliana City, at si Rasuman Grande Mamitan, kapatid nating Muslim. Pwede sila makatawag dito sa harap.
Si Brother Romy, Brother Edwin, at si Sir Rasuman Grande Mamitan. Pwede po sa stage. Ito na.
Let's put ourselves in the presence of God. God, with no name, but given so many names by different tribes, by different peoples, by different religions. My forefathers called you Kalahandi. My neighbors and you now call you Allah. There's the Magbabaya, Bathala, or Buddha. But allow me to call you the rest. Father, Mother, God. Whoever you are, wherever you are, we all believe that you are one and the same God. The source of life, the source of goodness, the source of love, the source of forgiveness, and everything that is good. Look upon your children. Look upon your servants who are gathered here today. Bless our gathering. Enable us to love you more and more by serving our brothers and our sisters, especially the poor, the deprived, and the oppressed. Have mercy on us. Many of our brothers and sisters are drowning with flood waters, because we as a nation is drowning in the flood of corruption. Please be with us. Guide us. Fill our hearts with love and courage.
Headed by Edwin Maniti and Attorney Arden Berato. Wala pang sigaw ang Region 3. Parang ako lang maingay ko na. Lakasan! You know?
Region 4, A.
Okay, Region 4A.
Southern Tagalog.
Okay, mga Calabarzon. Yan. Ano po yung mga Region 4A? So, the Mimaropa region, Region 4B. Asan po ang Region 4B natin?
Region 4B, ayun.
Ayun, nasa dulo. Okay, dami.
Region 5, Ticulaja.
Bicol Region. Ayun. Ayos, may representante na. Ano? From Region 6.
Visayas naman tayo, Region
Visayas
6.
Region. Ayun.
Panay Island.
From Panay Island, headed by Father Healthy.
Negros Island Region.
Region 7. Wala pa ka naman natin.
NIR.
NLR, sorry. Okay, NLR. Okay.
Region 7, Central Visayas. Ayan.
Region 7.
Jonas. Kati. Region 8, Waray. Leyte Samar. Ayun.
Region 8. Ayun, ang dami.
Diyan si Attorney Glenchong. Attorney Badigod.
1,000 atong Pascal. From Region 9. Ito,
Region 9.
Okay, Region
Zamboanga
9.
Peninsula.
Zamboanga Peninsula. Ayun, nandiyan din po. Ang mga taga Region 9.
Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Yun, your father okay.
Okay, welcome po, welcome.
Region 11, Davao Region.
From Region 11. You know? Mula sa tahanan ng Agila. Okay.
Region 12, Soc Sergeant.
Soc Sergeant, Region 12.
Region 13, Caraga Region.
Caraga Region, Region 13.
Cordillera Region, Pumitaga Cordillera. And next, Farm.
Bar. Tapos ang laban. Ang dami pala. Okay.
At ang panghuli, National Capital Region.
National Capital Region. Ang dami nating kaibigan dito. Okay, of course, Tito Pete, i-recognize din po natin ang mga parallel sectors, different organizations na nandito. Of course, unahin po natin ang grupo ng matatapang, Sigaw, Hakbang na Maiso! Okay, thank you. From Metro Manila, Duterte Movement, KP Manila, Sigaw! Nandito rin po kasama natin ngayong hapon ang Manila Taxi and Regional Assembly or MANTRA. Saan si Kuya ano? Hindi, na-traffic. Na-traffic to. Next po natin, National Public Transport Coalition, NPTC. Nandiyan na rin ba? Hindi, nagpag-aansin na doon. Kaya na-traffic. Next po natin ang Los Pimintan Transport Association. Nandiyan na? Meron? Na-traffic din. Pesquillo, Quezon City. Okay. Bondex NPM Union. Saan po ayun? Goodyear Steel Union. SMC Union.
Flexible Union. Ganon sa likod.
Paano natin pagtatanggol ng...
Union.
Paano natin pagtatanggol ng Pilipinas dito, Pete? Pag sigaw pa lang, hindi makasigaw.
Mayor Steve.
Sigaw! Ako sisigaw, sige.
JNT Union.
JNT.
Liberty Paper Union.
Liberty Paper Union. Ayun. Plastic Union. Asan po? Marami yan.
Candyman Union. Yan, kasama natin sa labor movement.
Hindi man na sila yun. Siyempre, ang lagi natin kasama sa pakikipaka, ang Aglo! You know, matapang yan. Yun, si Sen.
The Royal House and Council of Elders.
Royal House and Council of Elders, I think from Paseco ito. Nandiyan na po ba? Okay, nalito na po ito. Okay, ito naman. Headed by Tito Archie, Nobel Sultanate Empire of the Philippines. Ayun, nasa gitna. Darussalam Council. Ayun, nasa gilid. Masjid Rahim Council. Okay.
William Design Philippine Fashion Circle Award, PWU, Philippine Women's University Alumni Association. Nandiyan sila. Queen of Hearts Foundation. Yan, nandiyan sila. Bacadero Corporation. PCCI Taytay, Rizal. Rotary Club of Pasay, Harson.
Okay. Nandito rin ang Solido Aguila ng Bulacan. of Management. Asa po sila? Of course, the women's sector. Yan, headed by Tita Mamu and Tita Chuchi. Ito po sila. Christ Commission Fellowship Foundation. PFP. HYLA or HYLA. Okay? UCCW United Citizens Crime Watch. Ayun, nandun. Pharma Medicine Incorporated. Inday Sara para sa bayan. You know? DDS Sarahol Confederation. Scout. Okay. Of course, ang ating mga retired Philippine ambassadors. PDP PF Homeowners Association. Okay? UIY Corporation. Supporters of Bongo. Ayun din yun. Okay. Lanao Maharlika Marketing Cooperative. Lupa NGO Land Utilization and Productivity for All Incorporated. Welcome po. Ako Maiso. Sa Apo Aguila. Alpha Pi Omega. Isa ko na po ha. Marami kasi ito. Sigaw na lang kayo. Iwanis International. Philippine Navy Officers Wives Association. Marinol Alumni. Okay. Eastern Police District Advisory Group. Heavenly People Products. Siyempre, ang isa na sa organisasyon malapit sa ating puso, Reforma Pilipinas! I-research mo yung sigaw natin. PPW Manila Global Women. Okay, nandito na rin. Rotary Club of San Marcelino. Okay. Airtime Marketing Incorporated. Bugbong Federalismo. At Ilusan Pagpapago Incorporated. Nandito rin ang ating mga kasama sa real estate lessor, Nueva Ecija Cooperative, Rotary Club, Urban Poor Leader, headed by former Barangay Captain Emerita Pexon from Payatas. Alyansa ng Maralitang Taga-Novaliches or Almanova. Samahan ng Urban Poor ng NCR. Resorts Owner. Buy and Sell Business. Treasurer in Trust of Antipuesto Realty Development Corporation. International Affair or Arsiman District 3830. Okay, next. Pasahin natin lahat ito para yung okay.
A pleasant good afternoon to everyone gathered here today. Our leaders, partners, advocates, and fellow Filipinos united by one great cause to save the Philippines. Today marks a historic beginning. We come together not out of convenience, but out of conviction. We gather here because we can no longer stand idly. While our nation continues to slide into moral decay, political chaos, economic hardship, and the betrayal of public trust. We gather because the future of our children, our communities, and our country depends on what we do. The Save the Philippines Coalition is not just another organization. It is a voluntary movement of citizens who refuse to surrender hope. It is an alliance of patriots from diverse sectors and backgrounds, united by one purpose: to restore integrity in leadership, accountability in governance, and dignity to the Filipino people. We heed the call of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, a call to action, to courage, and to patriotism, to save the Republic. And in responding, we affirm that saving the Philippines means demanding change at the highest levels of power. It means confronting the failures and abuses that plague our government and standing firm for what the Constitution demands: rightful succession and responsible leadership. As we launch this movement today, we also launch a renewed spirit of unity and purpose. Let this assembly be the starting point of a nationwide awakening, where citizens no longer remain silent, but speak, act, and stand together for true reform and justice. To all those who come from near and far, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, welcome. Thank you for choosing courage over comfort and patriotism over apathy. Your presence proves that the Filipino spirit, no matter how challenged, will never yield to tyranny and corruption. Together, let us declare with strength and faith, we will save the Philippines. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Mabuhay ang ating bayan. Welcome to this new and momentous chapter in the history of the Filipino people. God save the Philippines.
Okay. Palakpakan po natin muli si Congressman Unga. Palakpakan po natin.
Pagpaumalino ninyo sa mga hindi nabanggit kanina, marami pala tayong mga incumbent and former officials from Lanao del Sur. Gusto natin i-recognize sila isa-isa. No?
Okay.
Former Mayor Alimpikri Sokor. Former Mayor Muhammad Mamintal. Former Board Member Amirol Muhammad. Former Mayor Abdul Rahman Bashir. Former Board Member Jeram Salik. Former Mayor Sabdullah Makabago.
Former Mayor Tony Tanog. Palakpakan po natin. Former Governor Abu Muhammad Sarangani. Former Congressman Faisa Dumarpa. Former Barangay Chairman Faisal Usman. Former Barangay Chairman Kasan Lasing. Former Barangay Chairman Mahid Salik. Former Mayor Rasuman Grande Mamintal. Former Congressman Alexis Malna. Former Vice Mayor Mamarita Malna. Former Mayor Actor Tatumulok. Former Vice Mayor Dininding Ramos. Former District Engineer
magandang hapon po sa lahat. Actually, kahapon lang ako nausap ni Joseph Pilipil. Gano'n na, again, pwede ka magsalita ka. Kasi katulad din sinabi ni Park kanina, hindi ako sanay masyadong magsalita sa ganito, sa kalsada. Ayan, si kasamang Pete Palobis na kami magkasama. Alam nyo, Kasi nailapit ko dito kanina yung sitwasyon ng ating bansa. Napakaliwanag. Alam na natin po lahat yun eh. Yung liwaliwanag nun sinabi ni kasamang Pilipina, yung mga nagsalita rito. Alam naman natin, diba, na kailangan natin ay pagkakaisa. Napakaraming rallies na eh. Iwa-hiwalay. Kami naman sa labor sector, yung grupo namin, sabagat historically, kami mga nasa manggagawa, iba-ibang grupo rin po yan. Gusto ko lang ipaliwanag, kaya binanggit kanina dito sa aming president. Labor Power Movement, binuo namin ito sa panahon ng kampanya ni PRRD. Maraming labor sector. Kami lang yung grupo na sumuporta sa kanya. Eh, alam naman natin eh, yung ibang grupo, katulad na nangyayari ngayon, di ba? Yung iba, pumapanik doon na kung sino may pera. Historically, ganun po yan. Hanggang ngayon, makikita nyo, di ba? Marami yan mga grupo-grupo na mga union, pero nasaan sila ngayon? Kung system din na doon sa kabila. Yung iba dyan mga kasamahan ko, nandito po ako since 1980, kasama ko yung mga KMU, nandiyan ako nanggaling for 22 years. 22 years. Diba? Bakit na natin nandiyan yung laging establishment yung train yung Congress of the Philippines. Ngayon, dito sa atin, naliwanag naman, sinabi nga ni kasama ng kanina, no? Ilan ba ang labor sector? Diba? Sa pagkakaalam ko, more than 35 million ang mga wage earners. So, napakalaking sektor po sa ating lipunan. Kung matatandaan natin, consistently during the time of martial law, labor ang nangunguna sa kalsada para labanan yung mga patakaran pang-api ng administrasyon ni Marcos. Pero in reality, nakatulong lang po yan. Tamang sinabi dito sa mga kanina. Itong administrasyon na to, babagsak ito, hindi lang dahil sa mga rallies, but because of economic situation. Bagsak na bagsak po ang ekonomiya natin. Isa sa tinatamaan yan, unang-una, yung foreign direct investment natin bagsak.